Hello guys, in this video we will see how to download and install BackBox 9 on VMware Workstation. First download the BackBox Linux ISO file. Go to backbox.org, scroll down, then click on BackBox Linux. Okay. See, it is a penetration testing and security assessment oriented Linux distribution providing a network and system analysis toolkit. Click on download. See here, set the donation field 0 if you want to download the file for free, but please consider making a donation to sustain the project. So pay euros or GBP or USD. Okay, so if you don't want to provide, just give 0 and it is up to you. See, the current version is BackBox Linux 9. Okay, we are going to download and install this file. See here, we have the torrent and ISO options. Okay. And select the mirrors. See here we have following mirrors for the torrent, but if you select ISO we have the same mirrors. Okay, it is up to you, torrent or ISO. So select ISO or torrent and click on download. Go to download. See, download started and its size is 6.1 gigabytes. See here also it is showing the same. Okay, so we have to wait until download completes. I am cancelling this one because I have already downloaded BackBox 9 desktop Linux. Okay, close it. Now open VMware Workstation. If you want to install VMware Workstation on your machine, then there is a link in the video description. Download and install VMware Workstation Pro for free on Windows or Linux operating systems. Okay, so click on VMware Workstation Pro. Now click on create a new virtual machine. Then next, then select the downloaded installer disk image file, that is ISO. Click on browse. Then go to downloads. See here, I have the BackBox 9 desktop ISO file. Click on open. Then next, then select Linux. Then select Ubuntu 64-bit. Then click on next. Here provide the name for the virtual machine. I am giving the same BackBox 9. Then select the path to store this virtual machine files and folders. Click on browse. Then select the path where you have the enough space to store this virtual machine files and folders. Make new folder, give the name for same, click on OK. Then next, I am giving 50 gigabytes. Then next, see, by default memory has selected 4 gigabytes and number of CPUs 2. If you want to customize hardware, you have to click on customize. Otherwise, once we click on finish also, you can do that. Click on finish. See, still if you want edit settings, select the virtual machine from this list and click on edit virtual machine settings, or right click and select settings, or select it and click on VM and select settings. All three options are same. See here we have different options. Shared folders, if you want to enable shared folders, you have to select always enabled. Guest isolation, see, enable drag and drop and enable copy and paste. Okay, so if you are okay with all the settings, then click on OK. Then click on start this virtual machine. Use up and down arrows and select the first one, that is try or install BackBox. Hit enter. See, this is just for trial purpose, but if you want to install it permanently, you have to click on this install BackBox Linux. Right click and select execute. Then select the language and click on continue. Again, keyboard layout, I am going with English. Then click on continue. If you want to download updates while installing BackBox, you have to select the checkbox. And if you want to install third-party software for graphics, you have to select both the checkboxes. I am going to select only this one. Then click on continue. Then select the first one, that is erase disk and install BackBox. Then click on install now. Click on continue. Then select your location on this old map. Okay, or you can type here also. I'm okay with the default one. Then click on continue. Then we have to set up or create user by typing here. First one is the full name. Then this is the BackBox virtual machine. Later also you can change this name. Then this is the username. Then provide the password for this user. Then click on continue. See, installation has been started. This may take time. I will resume. At the end, it will ask us to reboot the system. See, installation is completed. Now click on restart now. See, this is the user that I have created. Now provide the password, hit enter. See, before we were having on desktop install BackBox Linux. Now that icon is gone. Click on this menu. Then see here we have different applications. Click on all applications. See here we have a number of penetration testing applications. Okay, now open terminal. Click on terminal emulator. Now verify more /etc os-release. We have installed BackBox Linux 9. It is like Ubuntu 24.04. See, Noble Numbet. Also see here Ubuntu code name is Noble. Control L. Verify IP of this machine. if config. See, this is the IP of this machine. The first step after connecting to BackBox Linux is we have to update the packages. Sudo apt update & sudo apt upgrade. Hit enter. Then provide the password. See, this may take time. Type and hit enter. So in this video we have seen how to download and install BackBox Linux 9 on VMware Workstation. For more tutorials, please subscribe my channel. Thank you.